How to link PlayStation account to Epic Games. So if you want to link your PlayStation account to your Epic Games, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that search. And under search, you need to search for Epic Games. Once you search for Epic Games, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the website, which is store.epicgames.com. And once you're here, you need to make sure that you've signed into the website. So you just need to simply go with sign in, which is on the top right, and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you need to go with the name, the username, which is on the top right, and then go with the account option. Once you're under account settings, you need to go with the left side, and on the left side, you will have an option of connections. So you just need to simply search for connections, or you can also go with apps and accounts. And under that, here you will have PlayStation. So you will have PlayStation Network. Click on PlayStation Network under Connect and scroll down and then go with Connect Account. After that, you just need to simply log in to your account on PlayStation. So you just need to simply enter your sign in ID and then go with Next and log in. Once you've logged in to your PlayStation from Epic Games, then your PlayStation will be added to your Epic Games. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.